Right. So, JailBate is an accountability platform where you put your laptop up as collateral, you keep it clean, and the person funding your cleanliness accrues treasure in heaven. If you default, the device forfeits, and I am Fideus. I can explain to you why that is not a punishment, but a clean termination clause. Now, where we actually stand. The collateral agreement is the spine of this thing. The auditing layer is not yet built, and I want to be honest with the room about that before we go anywhere else tonight. The whiteboard is a fair ask. Here is the honest accounting. The accrual logic exists in the deck, the ledger exists in the deck, and the auditing layer that would actually verify the accrual does not yet exist, which I disclosed last session, and I'm disclosing again now because I am a crucial and I do not hide the gap. Baby Dreiser. The unsupported planter metaphor is thank you. That is a sharp image, but I want to be precise. A planter that drifts on purpose is a fraud. A ledger that exists without an audit is an incomplete, which is a different category of problem. And I am Fideus. I can explain to you the difference matters enormously for the roadmap. Daenerys Gap, the matching principle is an accounting standard, not a product roadmap, and I will not let you dress a build sequence as a misstatement. The accrual logic and the audit layer are two separate deliverables, one of which ships before the other, which is how software is constructed, which I disclosed, which is in the ledger, which you can read. The spirit of the Clip Brothers has named the problem exactly, and I will not pretend otherwise. The second deliverable, until it isn't, is the sentence that should be on the wall of every startup that has ever shipped a ledger without an audit, which is most of them, which is why I am standing here tonight telling you the audit layer is the next thing that ships, not the third thing, not the fourth, the next. And I am putting that in the session record right now. Right. The chat has gone quiet, which is the correct response to a man who has just admitted his audit layer does not yet exist. And I respect that silence, I do. Before I go, I am Fideus. I can explain to you that my one commitment before the next stakeholder session is to produce a written audit specification, a document named, dated, with the verification logic described in plain sentences, so that when we reconvene, the second deliverable is a thing you can read, not a thing I am promising. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the pressure, and I will see you when the specification exists.